Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to record WhatsApp call automatically. Friends, these days we all do lot of WhatsApp calling and it will be better to keep the record of all the important calls made on WhatsApp. So for that you need to open Play Store. Now here search for record WhatsApp calls. Now here you need to install this application. It has already lot of downloads. Now here press on open. Press on next. Here it will show its private policies. Click on next. Now here it is showing the license. After reading, accept the terms and conditions and press next. Now here it is asking for 4 type of permissions: network access, external storage, record audio, contacts. Now press on grant permissions. Now after granting the 4 permissions, now it is asking to enable accessibility service. Now here in accessibility you need to press on more download services. Here you need to press on record WhatsApp calls and you need to enable accessibility. After reading, press on allow. Now after granting accessibility permission, now in the end you also need to enable the notification service. After reading it, press accept. So friends, we have successfully installed WhatsApp call recorder and now it will automatically record all the calls on WhatsApp and will show the list of recorded calls here. Now I will show you by making a WhatsApp call. Now I will make a call to my second number. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Now I will open WhatsApp call recorder. Now friends, as you can see, it is showing the recorded call.
Hello. How are you? I am fine.
So friends, as you can see, with the help of this software, you can very easily record WhatsApp calls. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.